My boy hemiboy over here. Shout your shit out, man. This the man with the stars that be doing it. He be doing it. Hey, it's all. And I ain't editing it. I already know this bro that be doing the stars and shit over with D Welch. D Welch be doing it as well. But Hemi gonna take care of me today. He gonna get my boy down. Go ahead and shout out to IG and let him know who you is.
hemiboy_392.
What you laughing for? Let's get it that. hemiboy392.
Yeah.
Hit him up if y'all need stars done. Y'all can hit up D Welch if y'all need the stars done. He's did a lot of cars in the Chicago area. Some of your favorite, the Trackhawks, Hellcat 300, shit like that. But hell yeah, as y'all can see, man, we in the shop right now. We finna get down and busy. Y'all stay tuned. Bro finna get to it, yeah?
Yeah, like somebody is camera.
Like, they've been telling me for a minute to get some stars in this truck. But I always wondered, like, how many stars really can I fit in here with this big old moon roof? Like,
We finna put 300 in this.
300 is crazy. Don't even unscrew it, bro. 300 is over with. Don't even waste your time.
It's too late.
Crazy.
It's that one.
Yeah. So, hey, what's the most stars you ever put in the Jeep though?
1,000.
That's the most?
Well, yeah, we did.
Shit, I need to order another kit then. I need to go 3,000.
Shit.
Bro.
We're gonna do that for free.
Hey, it's a gift, bro.
That's what I'm saying. You getting the free gift. So who gonna do 3,000 for free?
Shit, we.
Who?
You do 2,000. I do 500. D Wells do 500.
We wanna do that.
That's crazy. It be your own people, bro. What you want, a free car wash or something? I got you. What you want, a free car wash or something?
See, look, you could have been here. You could have been cutting my.
All right, back with the video. Actually got the headliner out. So many wires, all type of shit. Plastics you got to take apart. Yeah, this ain't for me. This ain't for me. I didn't realize how big that headliner actually was since that roof in there. But it's big as hell for real. I'm gonna definitely have to hang them wires up. Hang them wires up while I'm rolling and we getting this done. Bro in here getting busy, getting to work. Doing a little headlight tint on the little Tahoe. This motherfucker crazy. My boy Hemi over here drawing it up. Man himself.
I'm done.
Damn, that's fucked up.
I told you was only getting 200.
This how you promote your business?
Huh?
This how you promote your business?
Outside contract. No.
Badass union workers, bro. He coming here like he finna go to the club.
I'm going to church.
Let me catch you posted up on IG with a G Herbo caption.
Wow.
Little light skin.
More like Drake. More like Drake.
Hell no, you don't look like no damn Drake. The hell? He in here tripping. This bitch cold. This joint cold. All black wheels on here. This dude in here. He finna rap my shit too. Again, everything that happened in this shop that goes to my car is a gift. Never know what's gonna pull up to the shop, man. Let me show y'all what's going on. RT joint, Charger lowered. Got the old Charger wheels on it. About to get some work done. You already know hemiboy out here. Same shit. Yeah, they got them toys out here. Look at this joint, ZL1. All white ZL1 with the black hood, black zebra stripes. This joint is crazy. I rock with this, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you. That put a nice twist to this car, bro. That definitely put a nice little twist to this car. Big boy, not the little one. That's crazy. That was a great idea. That's well executed, bro. That's well executed. Shout out to the owner of this joint. RC in the seats, ZL1. That joint crazy. This dude, Huncho, never washes his damn car. Like, I just don't get it. I don't understand why he washes this car. Got this nice ass car, don't never clean it. But hell yeah, it's toys out here. A quick break, went to go get something to eat. And this guy coming down the road. This is my first time actually seeing this Durango since it's been wrapped in person. Same thing as Welch shit. That blue satin on one side, Nardo gray on the other with the zigzag. Bro going full custom on here. He got the tail light tint, everything. He going full custom on here. Got some custom 5-spoke rims on here. Got his name in there. Lithos, all Nardo gray natural colored paint. This was the color of the car originally anyway. It looked good, man. It looked real good. He looked like he tinted the headlights as well. I like it. I like it. This gives it a whole different look, whole different vibe. They went with the matching joints. They went crazy for real. They went crazy. Look at this dude, big kitty. Red Gus in here. He don't even drive this damn car. He buy new cars every week like he sees it on 32s or something. He buy new cars every week. Straight up. Yeah, man, we got to finish this little build, man. He got the stars and his shit too. You got them on? Yeah. How many you get, Lithos? 1,200. Yeah, you gonna need 1,200 in this big mouth, huh? Bro got his star lights on. Big as hell. He got his shit. It should say SRT. Yeah, it's crazy. This joint. No. What do you got? 42,000 miles. Nice joint. I'll cut y'all back on when we get back to the shop. Work things going on. But anyway, let's jump right back into it, man. I know we were saying we're doing some mods to the Jeep. Let's check it out. See what y'all think. I'm going to just show y'all. It ain't completely dark outside, so it might not hit as crazy, but we got the stars in the Jeep, man. I couldn't be any more happier with this mod. I wish I'd have done it a lot sooner. Got it all around. Let me show you. It ain't even completely dark, so it don't do no justice. But man, put 1,000 stars in the Jeep, man. Obviously, I ain't got nothing in the middle. I got this big moon roof in here, but that 1,000 really hit. At nighttime, it's a really good vibe. I get to change it. Got the twinkle box in here. So it changes all different colors, all different modes. It do fades and stuff like that, man. But yeah, man, we finally got it done. I hope y'all like it, man. Definitely check out my boy. Y'all want some star lights? Don't mess with that. If y'all want some star lights, got 1,000 in this joint. Anyway, man, y'all stay tuned. Y'all let y'all boy know if y'all like it, if y'all fucking with it. You know what I'm saying? For sure. Where did you come from?